Mr. Lynch likes early night forever. Good morning, Mr. Master Mace, or simply, 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 Lynch. It's December 17, 2025. It's Wednesday evening, today anziché in totally cloudy, it's what the gradi scanta sia in generale. It also, at the moment, it also seems as now it's in the afternoon 13 and 33 minutes. 62 and 65 and 17 Celsius, and this means this is really soft, like in this period, soft classic adjective used for the autumn, so spring period, so support of Friarsico, as you can see the fact that Jeanne turned 4 years last June 17, also fact that we overcome 4 years of years of weather reports regarding summer, past last summer, summer of the year, remember, past summer I think not boring. Now, and consider also the fact that we also overcome and better in the winter, in the autumn. Many second now, in fact, also for the autumn and for years of weather reports, obviously not for the other seasons, the winter and spring, is not in this case, there are 6 years, and if practically in 4 days it will be winter, and so also for in 4 days, yes, it will be winter, so also for the winter will become free as weather reports. Perhaps someone don't remember think which I suppose indeed. I'm sure. Try to remember the things for him. So see sometimes my proposal. The fact that we should to Chinese is better, no perhaps paradox you. Tot for me, the idea is to do integral operation. Also for the winter spring exams, fact for the winter so adjective cold, for the spring one yes, for the spring one second adjective soft, for the summer adjective hot, so as you notice in general for the season so be classic adjective la segretaria inglese, attesa per me was something significant, absolutely incomplete, but the in this period considering two reasons, consider two passages where two reasons. The first one consists in the passage from the summer to the autumn, the second one, the most important, last thing the change of temper in Greece. After mentioning the area completely changed, it's completely pleased, if not pleased, actually really good, with the area meaning same temper with the Greece, so the sum, all these things make condition, situation, if not completely pleased, actually really good, at least it's me, because I don't feel cold like people, but when I come in the winter, in 4 days, I like to better thing, because I really experience thing, in fact, in winter weather reports of the past years, also welcome this winter, che better thing, in fact, uno fra più, fra un letto, finché notte, se feel cold, fra a letto, finché yes, or no, this depends on whatever, in general, for me, what's good, instead of to scatto sotto sfiangent way, think I can say the same things as just before the cases. It's really bad, at least seems I can be free, so much more this. In Gary afternoon, I think at temperature 20 days, repeat as just before 6 Fahrenheit, 17 Celsius. At important thing with atmosphere, c'est à 20 degrés. C'est before 2 days.